Hello there, how are we? Hope everyone's well. As promised in my previous video, we'll be back down at Bramley-moore dock to take a look at the other side we couldn't get down to because of the wind. So if you do like content like this, please do subscribe to the channel. It is free to subscribe to the channel. All it does is it will put my videos into your suggested videos. There's no lifelong commitment or anything like that, so do be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you do like this video, you can also like and share with your family and friends. So let's get into it. Next piece of roof has been lifted into place, and we just zoomed in on that. We take a better look at that in a moment. And we're just going to fly around the south and west side of the stadium, and then towards the end of the video we will take a look at the north, which is nearly covered now with cladding, and we'll look at that as well. There was all sorts of work going on today. People in cranes, cherry pickers, dangly cagey things, not sure what they're called, and we will take a look at that as well. As I mentioned in the previous video, these loose roof parts that are being built now on the inside of the roof, they're actually being built on the inside, and we will take a glimpse of them a bit later on in this video. Okay, so let's take a look, see what's going on. A couple of guys there up in a cherry picker, and there's a scissor lift, two scissor lift actions going on as well. As I've always said, I'm no sort of building expert. This is just something that I enjoy doing. I'm not sure what they're doing. If anyone does know what they're doing in that cherry picker, do leave a comment below and let us know. Moving on. Okay. Big white thing here, wasn't up too much, but I'm guessing it's got some sort of purpose. This is the Merseyside of the stadium, which is the west bit of west stand. One thing I have wondered is, I hope they're going to give the stands like better names than north, south, east and west. You know, that's kind of the imagination going here. If this was your stadium, what would you call each stand? Let me know in the comments below. So there's lots going on. The far side there going towards the north stand. There's a couple of cherry pickers. We'll take a look at them as we go round in a moment. This is like the furthest I've ever flown around, to be honest. And there's a number of reasons for that. First of all, the weather for me to fly today was perfect. This drone I'm using, the range on it is a lot further. Whoops, I don't know why I touched that. It's a lot further than my previous one. So we've been able to get around, and also when I first started doing these videos, I'd never flown a drone before in my life, so I was a bit apprehensive about going right round the back, but I feel like we're in a position now where we can do that. There's that hospitality section. Looks like it's getting some new reflective windows fitted onto there. Right, here we go. It looks like they're doing some sort of work on them brick sheets. I know that's not the proper name, but that's what I'm calling them, brick sheets. They were made off-site and then delivered in strips like that. You know, they might be doing something else, and a couple of subscribers that watch the channel, watch these videos, well, I'm sure they'll tell me exactly what they are or what they're doing. Yeah, so there you go. That's the furthest we've ever flown there. Well, look, there's the Mersey there, I don't know. But, yeah, so we're going to move on to the other side now. They're just coming down from what they were doing there. Right, let's move on to the east and north. So, as I said, we did get round the back, as I did say we would. Here we go. So we've seen that there, and we're going to take a proper look at the new piece of roof that's being fitted. It wasn't there last time, so it's either been guessing it's been fitted today because the weather wasn't fantastic to be fitting this sort of thing. Another thing as well, I think it'll be interesting how they allocate the season tickets. I think they're going to be based on where you sit at Goodison now. So, for example, no, let me just try and figure this out. I think the park end would be the south stand. Could be completely wrong there, but I think the park end would be the south stand. So if you were sitting in the park end, I think you'd be pulling the south. I'm gonna have to we'll have to try and look into this. Hang on. Where are we? Yeah, so from my calculations, the park end is the south, which means the north would be this Gladys Street. Main stand would be the Merseyside stand, the west, and then obviously the Pullens Road end would be the east. We could be completely chatting one there, but that's what I'm getting when I look at it on a map. If I'm wrong, I'm sure someone will point out. Okay, so north stand roof lots are, it looks like they've actually raised the edge of the stands, but there's a lot of cladding being added onto that. So that's how we're looking today. We'll be back to have a proper look. As I say, there's them roof trusses there. I'll label that as well, just in case you can't see that. Does anyone know what these are, by the way? These little white things, they look like massive toilet rolls, but I'm guessing there's some sort of tubing, or they've been on some sort of tubing, I'm not sure. Let us know in the comments below. Right, take care, we'll see you soon.